Hey guys, SDF here, and in this video we'll be taking a look at insane videos that will make you question reality. This fish looks mutated but it's actually a real fish. This place from the Philippines is called Chocolate Hills, and if you're wondering why, just look at it, they look like chocolates. If you didn't know, dolphins love playing with the bow wave of a ship. Always be cautious, don't get hustled by Black Friday sales, because this is just another marketing technique to get you to buy their stuff. This is why you shouldn't mess with bears' children.
Yo, dude. Oh my god.
This dude is living like a homeless king. This is what an earthquake looks like under the sea. Watch till the end. These people are extreme kayaking in the rocky waterfall. This guy climbs the Eiffel Tower with no permission, and the view looks amazing. This guy swims into a brine pool. It's basically a pool underwater. This place is called the Hand of Buddha and it's located in China. It looks very scary, I wouldn't even dare try climb that. This guy was skiing until suddenly he fell through a deep hole. He could have kept falling, but thankfully he latched onto the wall. Just a casual 70-foot drop off an abandoned shipwreck. Life insurance.
Okay. Woo.
This random lion was found taking a stroll in Italy. This old man lets his intrusive thoughts win. Man wrestling with pet dog. This is what happens if you combine martial arts and fighting sticks.
You guys want to see something neat? This is called piranha solution. Look at what it can do to just a paper towel.
These people from a theater in India bursted fireworks after seeing the main character. Did you know you could pump balloons with a laser? These two men's reaction to a water reflection is quite funny.
Watch these walls. Oh my god, bro.
This is what summer weather looks like in Antarctica. Take a look at this beautiful sunrise in Hiroshima Prefecture in Japan. This guy ran straight inside the tornado and look what happened to him next. Yeah, nothing happened, I'm just joking. This shows how strong the survival cell of a Formula race car. This is the Hungatonga volcano eruption sound from 500 miles away. This is the level of calm we should be striving for. Nah, this guy must be insane. Watch till the end.
Oh my god!
This is how a sea sponge pumps water out, and it looks very satisfying. Guys, never do this. These turrets are standing way too close. This is what happens when your car gets way too hot. Damn bro, why is he so smooth with it? This guy doesn't need an axe to cut a tree, he only needs these hands like Steve from Minecraft.
Oh!
This woman just straight up abandons her car in the middle of the street. What do you guys think? This woman must be the unluckiest person in the whole world. She got struck by lightning. This person's unparking skills are on the next level. Watch till the end. And that's the end of this video. If you want to see more stuff like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.